Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a precision architectural evaluation of Odysseus AI, the viral open-source self-hosted digital workspace built by internet icon PewDiePie, determining if it is the absolute champion of local data freedom or an unpolished developer sandbox. Distancing itself entirely from standard cloud-based text prompt boxes that quietly harvest consumer data, Odysseus operates as a personal, local-first powerhouse that runs entirely inside a Docker container on your own hardware, using back-end engines like Ollama and Llama.cpp. The absolute mechanical triumph of this ecosystem is its massive unified productivity matrix, consolidating standard conversational chat with self-evolving memory layers, persistent document libraries, a dedicated multi-model side-by-side comparison matrix, autonomous multi-step background agents, deep internet research scrapers, and a full-scale email orchestration assistant under one gorgeous terminal-inspired dark theme. Because it treats your underlying foundation model as a modular variable, you enjoy total sovereignty over your pipeline, swapping local models for deep privacy or wiring in raw commercial cloud APIs only when you choose. However, scaling your daily workflows inside this free infrastructure exposes sharp technical boundaries and optimization bottlenecks that can stall casual creators. The single most significant structural hurdle is its uncompromising hardware penalty. Running their deep research loops, complex file parsing matrices, or multi-agent planners completely offline demands an incredibly robust discrete graphics card and heavy system memory, meaning if you deploy it on a standard consumer laptop, execution speeds will crater into an unusable lag loop. This friction is compounded by its raw, early-stage codebase, where users frequently run into broken terminal paths, frozen database vectors, and erratic tool execution that requires manual Docker debugging and code editing to resolve. Ultimately, Odysseus AI is a spectacular ideological triumph for developers, privacy-first researchers, and hardware hobbyists who want a secure, central cockpit to run open-source models without handing their private strategies over to big tech. Weigh this absolute data ownership against the steep hardware requirements and unrefined user experience, audit your local processing power, and leverage this decentralized workspace to control your digital pipeline today. Subscribe the channel for more videos.